Hi my plant-based viewers and subscribers, welcome to another video, and today I'm just going to make a very simple meal, and this will be curry black eyed peas. So stay tuned for this video. So I have a pack of black eyed peas that I had, because you know that if you're not a meat eater, you have to substitute those meat with plant-based protein, and popular plant-based proteins are beans and peas. What I try to do these days is to cook all the beans in the pack. Portion that I'll be using, I'll take it out, and the remaining I'll put it in a Ziploc bag and put it in the freezer. So in the future, when I decide to make another meal, I have that already cooked and ready to go. So I add some water to the pot, guys, and I put 3 cloves of garlic and some ginger. I love flavor, so I want my food to have natural flavor. Pressure this for 15 to 20 minutes and it will be all good. I don't want it to be too soft, so most likely 15 minutes. I transferred 2 cups from the bulk that I did. I added 2 cups of water, so now I'm going to add some seasoning to it. So here I have onions, garlic, parsley, and thyme. I'm keeping this recipe real simple to make it easier.
Natural beauty, you know.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Shawna Plant-Based Lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and always remember, your health is your wealth. Still bubbling a little, it's looking great. Don't forget to eat your beans. If you're a plant-based lover, don't forget to eat your beans to get your proteins. So thank you for viewing, thank you for sharing and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Until next time, do have a safe and a blessed week. Stay tuned for more and more plant-based recipes. Always remember, your health is your wealth.